Welcome to your strategic roadmap for implementing Zoho CRM. Today, we'll guide you through a comprehensive journey that will transform how you manage customer relationships, streamline your sales processes, and drive sustainable business growth. This presentation will show you how proper CRM implementation can unlock deeper customer insights, increase operational efficiency, and position your business for long-term success. Does this landscape look familiar? Many businesses today struggle with fragmented customer views caused by separate systems for sales, marketing, and customer service. This disconnection leads to incomplete pictures of your customers and missed opportunities. Time-consuming manual processes with outdated workflows are prone to errors and drain your valuable resources. Without a single source of truth, managing customer relationships effectively becomes difficult, leading to inefficient operations and stalled growth. Implementing a powerful CRM like Zoho transforms your business operations and paves the way for sustainable growth. You'll build improved customer relationships by understanding needs and delivering personalized experiences that build loyalty. Increase sales by tracking interactions and analyzing data to identify opportunities and create targeted campaigns. Streamline operations through automation of sales, marketing, and customer service to save time and resources. Make better decisions with access to real-time customer data and analytics to identify new revenue streams. Integrate business applications by managing all customer-related operations in one place through integration with tools like Zoho Books and Zoho Projects. Every successful journey begins with a clear destination. Before implementation, it's crucial to define your goals and assess your needs. This clarity ensures you choose the right plan and configure the system to achieve exactly what you want. Ask yourself two critical questions. First, what are our specific goals? Are we aiming to improve customer satisfaction, increase sales by a certain percentage, or streamline specific operations? Clearly defined objectives are the coordinates for your success. Second, what are our business's essential needs? Do we need advanced tools for managing customer interactions, automating marketing campaigns, or analyzing complex data? List the features and capabilities most important for your team. Zoho CRM offers a range of plans to meet different business needs. Selecting the right one depends on your specific goals, budget, and required features. The free edition provides core features including contact management, lead management, and marketing automation, perfect for businesses starting out with CRM. The professional edition includes everything in free, plus sales forecasting, advanced customer service tools, and data analytics, best for businesses needing more advanced sales and service features. The enterprise edition includes everything in professional, plus advanced analytics, additional integrations, deep customization options, and premium support, ideal for businesses requiring extensive customization and advanced tools. The CRM Plus plan is a suite of integrated apps, including Zoho CRM, Zoho Books for accounting, Zoho Projects for project management, and Zoho Campaigns for email marketing, best for businesses wanting to manage all customer-related operations in one unified platform. A successful implementation follows our proven 7-stage roadmap, ensuring a smooth transition and maximizing your return on investment from day one. Stage 1 is project planning, where you define scope, goals, stakeholders, and timeline. Stage 2 involves data collection and analysis to understand data needs and evaluate CRM solutions. Stage 3 is system integration, integrating Zoho CRM with your existing systems and third-party apps. Stage 4 focuses on training and documentation, ensuring all stakeholders are trained on how to use and maintain the system. Stage 5 is testing and evaluation, testing the system with real data to ensure it works properly and meets business objectives. Stage 6 is go live, launching the system for real-world use once testing and evaluation are complete. Stage 7 provides post-implementation support with ongoing technical support, training, and upgrades to ensure the system functions optimally. With the roadmap in place, your journey begins. Phase 1 lays the foundation for your system, and the initial setup is crucial for ensuring the system works for you, not against you. First, import your customer data. This foundational step involves exporting data from your current systems like spreadsheets, databases, or other CRMs and importing it into Zoho CRM. Second, configure the system. The platform is tailored to your specific needs, which can include setting up custom fields, creating custom reports, and setting up automation rules to streamline operations. Third, train your team. To ensure effective adoption, it's vital to provide your team with training and support. Zoho offers online tutorials, customer support, and a knowledge base, but hands-on training is key to success. Phase 2 is about reaching cruising altitude and maximizing value. Implementation is just the beginning. To truly get the most out of Zoho CRM, you need to continually monitor, customize, and optimize its performance as your business evolves. Track key metrics using analytics and reporting to monitor performance such as customer satisfaction and sales conversion rates, and make data-driven adjustments. Integrate with other tools to enhance efficiency by connecting with platforms like Zoho Books for accounting or Zoho Campaigns for email marketing to streamline operations. Customize for growth as your business changes by adding custom fields, creating new reports, and integrating with other business tools to ensure Zoho CRM continues to meet your needs. Stay up to date by taking advantage of new features and best practices to ensure you're always getting the most out of the system. While it's possible to self-implement, the process is complex and requires a deep understanding of the platform, technical knowledge, and strategic experience. A misstep in configuration can lead to poor user adoption and a failed investment. The complexities include correctly assessing your current operations to identify which features are needed, deciding which customer segments to focus on and what data fields to track, properly configuring user accounts and assigning roles and customizing layouts, integrating existing systems and data without corruption or loss, and setting up effective marketing campaigns and automated workflows. Overall, implementing Zoho CRM is a complex process that requires deep understanding of the platform, technical knowledge and experience, and the ability to properly configure it for your business. That's why it's best to leave implementation to the experts. You don't have to journey alone. WiselyWise is a leading provider of Zoho CRM implementation services, with a team of highly experienced professionals and domain experts who have a successful track record of guiding businesses through the entire process, ensuring a reliable, cost-effective, and successful implementation. Why partner with WiselyWise? We offer proven expertise with a team of dedicated, skilled professionals who are experts in the Zoho ecosystem. Our industry experience means domain experts provide valuable insights and advice tailored to your business. We provide end-to-end support with guidance throughout the entire process, from initial planning to ongoing maintenance. Our comprehensive services include a support package with training, troubleshooting, and technical assistance to ensure your system runs smoothly and efficiently. Let me share a story of success. ABC Corporation is a medium-sized manufacturing company with a global customer base and a growing sales team. They struggled with disconnected systems for sales, marketing, and service, which led to an incomplete view of customers, manual process errors, and missed growth opportunities. WiselyWise worked with ABC Corporation to assess their needs and develop a customized, integrated Zoho CRM solution. We provided comprehensive training and ongoing support to ensure the system was used effectively by the entire sales team. The result? Streamlined sales processes, increased efficiency, and a complete 360-degree view of their customers, which has directly helped them grow their business. The proof is in the partnership. Here's what Brenda, director of ABC Corporation, had to say. We are very happy with the Zoho CRM implementation provided by WiselyWise. The team was professional, knowledgeable, and responsive, and they worked closely with us to understand our business needs and provide the best solution. The CRM system has streamlined our sales processes and given us a complete view of our customers, which has helped us grow our business. We highly recommend WiselyWise to any company looking to implement Zoho CRM. Your journey begins now. A successful Zoho CRM implementation is more than a software installation. It's a strategic journey to a more efficient, profitable, and customer-centric business. While the path has its complexities, you can navigate it with confidence with an expert guide by your side. Start your journey today by getting a free consultation to map out your unique business needs. Contact us by email at cxo@wiselywise.com, mobile or WhatsApp at +6582684140, or through our online form at htwiselywise.4. As Mary Shelley said, the beginning is always today.